Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Parches Llantas is probably one of the most important things to have in your car, because a flat tire can happen at any time, and knowing how to fix it quickly and easily can save you a lot of time and money. In this video, we will review several different types of tire patches, comparing their ease of use, durability, and overall effectiveness to help you find the perfect patch for your needs, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a complete beginner. Number 5. 50003L Universal Tire Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools for quick and easy tire repairs. It's perfect for cars, trucks, and more. It includes everything you need, from a pressure gauge and pliers to plugs and insertion tools. No more being stranded with a flat. This kit is conveniently packaged in a sturdy blow-molded case for easy storage and transport. Keep it in your vehicle for roadside emergencies. The T-handle design offers superior leverage and comfort, making repairs easier and less strenuous. You'll get the job done efficiently. It allows for quick repairs of tubeless tires without removing the wheel. Get back on the road fast. This kit offers incredible value with 57 pieces, including plugs, probes, insertion tools, hex keys, pliers, and more. Everything you need is included. What we like. It has all the necessary tools to fix a flat tire, easily stored in your car. It's quick and easy to use without removing the rim. If you need a complete and portable solution for roadside emergencies, this is the kit for you. What people say. Received this today and it appears to be well constructed and a good deal. People have complained of lack of instructions, but they are now included. So, I have included them for reference. Note that this does not come with any kind of cement. Instead there is a grease lubricant used to make insertion of the plugs easier. The plug kit worked great. Way better than those cheap Harbor Freight kits. The T-handle tools are sturdy and do not bend. If you've never plugged a tire before, it requires a lot of force to do. The lubricant to get the plug in makes all the difference. It's a great complete kit. Really like the quality of the two tire repair tools. They are cast aluminum and have set screws on both sides of the handle that holds on the spiral probe and needle. The case itself is great, and after you throw away the 30 or 40 plugs they give you, you'll have plenty of room in the kit for a pair of pliers and razor blade, and you will have a very capable kit. Number 4. AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit. It's made of high-quality steel and meets the highest standards. This kit can handle even the toughest tire repairs. With great adhesion and flexibility, it's built to last. It provides a long-lasting, airtight seal. It works on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, you name it. This kit is your go-to solution for all your tire repair needs. The included T-handle and spiral probe make the repair process simple. Everything you need is right here in this convenient, portable case. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. Made of high-quality steel, it's built to last and withstand tough repairs. The included T-handle and spiral probe make the repair process simple. If you prioritize durability and ease of use, this kit is a great choice. What people say. This 68-piece heavy-duty tire repair kit is an absolute lifesaver. The tools feel solid and durable, not cheap or flimsy like some kits out there. The T-handle reamer and plug insertion tool are heavy-duty and comfortable to grip, even when dealing with stubborn punctures. The kit includes everything you need: plugs, valve stems, extensions, caps, and even a pressure gauge. It's truly universal, worked like a charm on my SUV and my buddy's tractor tire. What really impressed me is how easy the process was. Clear instructions, straightforward design, and the repair held strong through all kinds of weather and terrain. No need to wait for roadside assistance, this kit gets you back on the road fast. I bought this kit and it really works. Has all the tools you need to patch your tire, and you can easily store it in your car. Pull out the nail, plug it, done. I patched my first nail 4 months ago and it is still holding air perfectly. I just patched my second one this morning and it worked easily. Number 3. ORCISH 98 PCS Tire Repair Kit. This kit has everything you need to fix a flat. It includes 98 pieces, from plugs and strings to tools and lubricant. With 98 pieces, it's prepared for almost any tire puncture scenario. You won't need to buy any extra tools. It's made with high-quality steel and zinc alloy for durability and rust resistance. The repair strips are made to be flexible and long-lasting. This kit makes on-the-road tire repairs simple. All the tools are neatly stored in a handy case that easily fits in your vehicle. It works on tubeless tires for cars, motorcycles, trucks, and more. It's the essential kit for any vehicle owner. We stand behind our products. Contact us anytime if you have questions, we're here to help. What we like. This kit comes with almost every tool imaginable for tire repair. The high-quality materials ensure longevity, and the design makes it easy to use. If you want an all-inclusive kit with durable components, this is the one for you. What people say. These plugs work as expected. As a bonus, they come with some extra valve stems and caps. It has everything I need to fix a tire. It has all the parts one would need to fix a flat tire. Number 2. Vehiclex Essential Tire Kit. It's a lifesaver when you get a flat. This kit lets you quickly plug and patch your tire, getting you back on the road. These special plugs seal punctures effectively. No need to remove the tire from the rim, it's a simple, on-the-spot fix. Everything you need is included in one compact case. It's designed for cars, motorcycles, and more. The sturdy steel tools make the repair process easy and safe. They're built to last. Check your tire pressure quickly and easily with the included gauge. It's small enough to keep in your pocket. The zippered case keeps everything neat and organized, saving space in your vehicle. It's always ready when you need it. What we like. It features self-vulcanizing tire plug strings for easy repairs without removing the tire. It's compact and includes a pressure gauge. If you are looking for a small, reliable kit for quick fixes, this is a good option. What people say. This is a nice little kit assuming it holds up. I like that it comes in a case so that everything can be kept together. I also like that the handles are metal. Get the kit with the pliers. Pliers are a must-have if you have a nail or screw in your tire that you need to pull out. I thought these pliers were going to be way too big and cheap, but they're actually about perfect for just this task. The valve core tool and spare valve cores is a nice addition. While not necessary to remove, it'll help speed up airing up your tire. Plus, sometimes your leak is actually in the valve core, so having the tool and spares could come in very handy if that's where your problem is. Number 1. CTR Heavy Duty Tire Plug Kit. This kit has everything you need for quick and easy flat tire fixes. With 68 pieces, including a cutter, hex tools, and even gloves, you'll be back on the road in no time. It's built to last. Made with high-quality steel and premium repair cords, it's tough and reliable, outperforming the competition. The ergonomically designed tools make repairs a breeze. Even if you've never done this before, the included instructions make it simple. This vibrant red carrying case is sturdy and easily stored. Keep it in your car and you'll always be prepared for a flat. CTR is a trusted brand in auto parts. This kit is not only reliable but also reusable, providing long-term peace of mind. What we like. This kit includes 68 pieces, providing everything you need for a complete repair. It's made with durable, high-quality steel and features ergonomic tools. If you want a comprehensive and user-friendly kit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a perfect little kit to keep in your car. It has everything you need in the kit. I really like the quality of the tools for it because they are nice, sturdy, and safe. Great product, well made and worked well. This is a high-quality kit and it worked great on my large off-road tires where a lesser quality kit did not. Like that it has the holder to keep the plug in place as you remove the tool. The case is perfect for keeping it all together and not losing things. Plugged the tire on my 2013 Yukon just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.